but more and more content, text file and etc. CSV file. In array CSV file indirectly nothing but the Excel file was. CSV file and etc. Yes. Okay. Almost all major database softwares are supporting large objects by giving different data types. By giving different data types. Oracle gives what guys? Oracle gives blob cloud data types. MySQL gives blob blob tiny text. Okay. Tiny text, medium text, large text. Come on, guys. Large text. Data types. Data types. Now, listen, guys. Only in standalone applications. Only in standalone applications. The large objects, nothing but files, will be saved directly in DB table columns. Directly in what, guys? DB table columns. Are you listening my statement? Directly in DB table columns. In web applications, distributed applications, the LOBs, nothing but files, will be saved in server machine file system. What, guys? Will be saved in server machine file system, and their address paths will be written to DB table columns as string values. DB table values as string values. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on. And their address paths will be written to DB table columns as string values. That's it, guys. This is what we need to focus. Okay, performance, boss, nothing else. Performance, nothing else. Okay. Abhishek Singh, organization avoid to save DB for web, or it is not possible. It's not like that, guys. It's not like that. Large objects allocates more memory, up to 4 GB. If you start using large objects directly in the database, performance issue will come. Performance issue come. Array standalone application, less data, that's why they try to store. But when it comes to a web application, distributed application, huge amount of data, so many users, so many transactions. So that's why there is a possibility of getting performance issue if you store large objects directly in what? DB table columns. Okay, so this is to avoid performance issue was. To avoid performance issue. To avoid performance issue with the database software. This is purely to avoid performance issue with the database software. Are you comfortable, guys? Come on. Okay. No, use cases, guys. Use cases where we work with large objects, guys. Matrimony application. See, directly will be stored in directly will be stored if it is a standalone matrimony application. Standalone matrimony applications. Standalone matrimony application. Job portal application, again standalone. Standalone job portal application. Okay, guys. Okay, application and etc. Etc. Array, those who joined bit lately, nothing to worry about. There are 2 types of large object, blob, glob. That's it. You didn't miss anything, please. Okay. Standalone matrimony application, standalone job portal application, all these things. Okay, here what is the example, guys? Web matrimony web application. Shadi.com kind of thing. Job portal web application. Job portal application. Come on. Job portal application. Social networking application. And etc. Okay, social networking application and etc. Any working people are there? That word is not coming to my brain. There is a separate server called to store large objects. From there, one token will be generated. Token ID will be generated, and the token ID will be inserted into DB table column. Anyone can tell me what is that separate server, guys? What is that server? CDN server? Huh? CDN server? I think some DB server, guys. CDN server, FileNet server, NATS. Okay, no, one more word is there. DMS server. I think, am I right? I think DMS server, right? Okay. Now listen. There are different practices for it. There are different practices. Okay. In some web applications are distributed applications. Okay, guys. Now listen. In some web applications are distributed application. The LOBs, nothing but files, will be saved in separate CDN. Please observe the abbreviations. Okay, CDN, DMS, Okay, NAS server, network attached storage, guys. What is that? Network attached storage. Okay, storage. Anyone can tell me what is CDN, boss? CDN. Just search in the internet, boss. Whatever it is. Okay, CDN and etc. servers. And etc. servers. Come on, content delivery network. Fine. Content delivery network. DMS. DMS, anyone? DMS. No idea? Okay, search in the internet. Fine, guys. Document management system. Yes. Document management system. Document management system. I worked document management system a lot. Okay, guys. Now tell me, DMS server, yeah, and is something bucket servers also there. What servers, guys? Bucket servers also there. Uh, S3 servers also there. Many things are there, guys. Okay. S3 bucket servers. Actually, they are called as what? S3 bucket servers. S3 bucket servers and etc. And etc. And we get token ID. What ID, guys? Understanding my point there? And we get token ID. And we get token IDs from those servers representing what is that? Files representing LOB's insertion. And come on, guys. And these token IDs will be inserted into DB table columns as string values. Are you getting my point? Same story. Those who feel file system is not that much safe, or in the file system also memory is not sufficient. File system means computer hard disk, boss. Sometimes you may feel computer hard disk memory also not sufficient, or it is not safe, or we need better storage. So, or we need cloud storage kind of thing, right? So then people thinks about this practice also. In web applications environment, we study this. But right now we are learning Spring Data JP as a standalone environment application. That's why no option we have to go forward. Inserting directly into DB table columns. Is that clear, guys? Okay, fine. Yeah. The entity class. That's the main point, guys. Programming is not so great. The entity class should have byte array and character array properties, character array type properties representing the entity class representing what is this blob comma glob type. Okay, glob type data, glob type data. Okay, let's see this. Nice. Yeah, we'll see both insertion, retrieval, both we will see. No, don't worry. Let me launch these guys. Too many things I am launching at a time. Does it affect the performance of system? I think unnecessarily I started both at a time. Huh? Can I kill first task manager? Eclipse is not responding, boss. I think I need to improve the RAM size a little bit, boss. It's not going to work out. I'll make my people to increase the RAM size. Okay, first let me kill the MySQL one. Yeah, came. I think all came. Bit lately, but all came. No, nowadays these browsers are taking a lot of memory nowadays, guys. Yeah, let it be. We'll come to our application. Uh, okay, guys. Now let's see. Cool, guys. Now let's come back. Where is this? This one. No, if I restart session, system again, lot of headaches are there. New project, Spring Starter project. Spring Starter project. Tell me. Boot Data JPA. What's the project number? 11. Working with large objects. Working with LOBs. Done. Say next. Lambak, Spring Data JPA, MySQL driver, Oracle driver. I think these are sufficient. Finish. No, actually, we have given heavy burden at a time, boss. Done, boss. Okay. Go to any previous project. Collect application dot properties. Collect application dot properties, boss. Yes. Right. It is still taking time to build a. Okay. Don't worry much. Yeah, today we opened all at a time now, boss. That's a mistake. Yes, boss. Done. Application dot properties. Just say paste. I think it is pointing to MySQL as per my knowledge. Yes, it's pointing to MySQL. Let it be. Not a issue, boss. Right click. new package com.nt.entity. Cool. Right click new package com.nt.service. Right click new package com.nt.entity com.nt.service. Come on. com.nt.runner. I think these are sufficient, boss. I think repository is required, Rababu. com.nt.repository. com.nt.repository. Okay, boss. First, develop the entity, boss. Class. Are matrimony customer, boss. Matrimony customers are called what, guys? Matrimony customers are called what? Because I want to insert resume and bride, not bride and groom. No, is there any single word to represent both? No, is there any single word to represent both? Unmarried couple, customer only, na? Marriage seeker. I think we can call it as a marriage seeker. Fine. Like a job seeker, let's make it as a marriage seeker. Ashish says you don't have any common sense. Why they are called couple while going to? Okay, marriage seeker. That's a better wording. Like job seeker, like marriage. Similarly, here also I am taking a word called marriage seeker. Serializable. Serializable. Okay. At the rate entity was. Okay. At the rate entity was. Fine. Private long. Okay. Private long. What is this? ID. Private long ID. Let it be. Tell me. At the rate ID. Okay. At the rate ID. Alright, it's a model class now. Tomorrow, if you want to send this object data over the network, serializable useful or not? It is not just entity class now. It is also model class because we are taking single Java bin in all layers. Tomorrow, if you want to send this object data over the network, definitely serialization is required, right? And moreover, in Hibernate second level caches, I support disk caching. If needed, I will use a hard disk memory also. Yeah, to use hard disk memory for serialization again, object should be serializable. Okay. To use hard disk memory for second level cache through serialization, first of all, entity class object should be serializable one, right? Generated value default is auto only. Yeah. There are two reasons, guys. Since we are taking single model class for all layers, in order to send this object over the network, we should take it as serializable. Number two, since Spring Data JPA internal uses Hibernate, if you enable second level caching, what caching? Second level caching. Okay, there is a possibility of using hard disk memory for second level caching. For that also, it expects entity class objects as serializable objects. Everyone getting my point? Yes. String name. Okay. String address. String address. Okay. byte array photo, byte array photo. Standalone application I'm trying to save directly. Char array resume, char array resume, fine. At the rate data, at the rate, okay, resume or biodata, whatever it is. Resume or biodata, fine. Okay, our date of birth also required, but already we worked with the date values. Now I'm not taking it. If you are interested, you can take date of birth also. Come on, you want date of birth? Fine. Array, gender is male or female, or you can take everything, please. Okay, local date time. Local date time. I'm not developing entire as it is. I just want to take less properties. Okay. Hmm. Right. Okay. You want to take Boolean property, you can take Boolean property. Only the thing is, instead of getter method, is method will be there. Anyhow, Lambda API will be taken care. Lambda, suppose there is a property called Indian, private, private Boolean Indian. Private Boolean Indian. Okay. Now gender means male, female. You have to take it as a string only. Indian. So when it comes to getter method, it will be is Indian. That's it. Is Indian. Is Indian. Not get Indian will be there. See, get Indian is not sounding nice also. That's why it will be having is Indian. Don't worry. Control plus shift plus O. Okay. Control plus shift plus O. All arg constructor. At the rate no arg constructor. Okay. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. Table not required. If you don't give table by default, it will take what? Class name as the table name. Come on, guys. So ask some matured questions. I didn't expect these kind of questions. Someone saying the table is missing. Come on. Yes, ID we cannot control length. Yes, here we can control length, guys. At the rate column length is equal to 25. Length is equal to 20. Here address is equal to 20. Photo you need not to control the length. Control. You need not to control the length for it. Yes, this is marriage seeker, guys. Okay. This is our basically entity class. In ORM frameworks like Hibernate, tell me, guys. Let me. Rajesh Magar, if you don't mention any strategy, default strategy is auto. Auto means internally sequence. Hibernate underscore sequence. In ORM frameworks like Hibernate, we take the entity class as serializable class for two reasons. Number one, nowadays we are making entity class itself itself as the model class to carry data across the multiple layers. To carry data across the multiple layers like controller to service to service to repo or DAO class. DAO class as model class. Nowadays we are making entity class itself as a model class to carry model class, nothing but Java. To carry data across the multiple layers like controller to service to report to DAO. Sometimes we need to send same data over the network from current project to another project. Okay, so we need to take entity class as serializable class. Okay, Flipkart sending, come on guys, card details to PayPal. Flipkart is sending card details to PayPal. Are you understanding my statement? Flipkart sending card details to PayPal. Network definitely will be there na, over the network because both are two different projects. This is the one reason. Another reason. Okay. The ORM framework like a Hibernate supports second level caching. Second level supports disk caching. Array disk means hard disk caching, boss. Disk caching. In second level caching. That means it uses hard disk memory. Hard disk memory through serialization in second level caching while performing second level caching. For this entity classes should be taken as what is guys serializable. Should be taken as serializable. I hope you convinced both the reasons, guys. Okay, this is the main thing, boss. Nice. Now listen. Let me create a repository interface. Marriage seeker. Repo. Marriage seeker repo. If interested, I will take iMarriage seeker repo. iMarriage seeker repo extends paging and sorting repository. What is the T, guys? Marriage seeker. What is the T? Marriage seeker. What is the ID? Long. Control plus this one. Come on. Fine. Fine, guys. This is ready. Let's go to service interface. iMatrimony. iMatrimony. Service management. iMatrimony service management. Public. Okay. Public register. Public string register. Register marriage seeker. Register marriage seeker. Okay. Now you can take wrapper type as a return type or string also. Your choice. Okay. Marriage seeker. Marriage seeker. Done, guys. Marriage seeker. What's happening? Okay. Import marriage seeker. Done, boss. Now let me develop the IMPL class. New class. Marriage seeker. Marriage seeker. No. Matrimony. Na fine. Matrimony service. Matrimony service IMPL interface. iMatrimony service management. iMatrimony service management. Cool. What is this? @service. @service. Tell me. Matrimony service. Done. Okay. Private. Tell me. Repo. MS repo. What is this? MS repo. @auto void. Let us write single line statement. Guys. MS repo dot save dot seeker. Seeker dot get ID. Okay. Get ID. Okay. Now listen. Marriage seeker. Info is saved. Marriage seeker info is saved. That's it. Saved with ID value. with the ID value. This. Come on, guys. Fine, boss. This is also done. Let's go to runner. Let's go to runner story. Class runner, LOB's test runner. Array, some testing runners we are developing. Runner, interfaces, command line runner. Interfaces, command line runners, guys. Here, scanner SC is equal to array. Right now, I have to get the file locations. From there, I have to give the byte arrays. So some hangama is there. Be careful. That's why I'm trying to get information from end user, guys. Okay, scanner SC is equal to new scanner of. In Hyderabad, which area was? I'm safe. I'm in front of you. In Hyderabad, earthquake. Maybe it might have come in Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills area. Okay. Right. Scanner SC is equal to new earth scanner. Sys out. No, I stay in Kukatpalli. Right. System.out.println. Right. System.out.println. Enter marry. What is this? Person name. Person name. String name is equal to sc dot next. Next, enter person address. Person address. No, Banjar Jubilee is full of rocks. Na? Much pressure will be there on the land. That's why there is a more possibility of getting what? Earthquakes. Nothing else. Okay. Address sc dot next. It's not because rich people are staying. No. How earthquake knows whether people are rich or poor. Okay, come on. Show some maturity, Babu. Okay, fine. Next one. Next one. Sys out. Some student says nonsense. Enter person photograph. Enter person photo. Enter person photo. Tell me, guys. Enter person photos. Enter person photo path. Complete path, guys. Only path I am collecting. String photo path is equal to sc dot next. Yeah. Enter person biodata path. Photo file complete path. Biodata file complete path. Okay. Biodata data path. Next. Remember that. Okay. Next line is not required. Next is enough. Why? Array no spaces will be there na in the path. If space is there, multiple words are there. Next line. Next one is what? Nationality. Achha, someone asked date of birth. Date of birth. Date of birth we cannot expect from end user. Date of birth. Okay. So we'll try to set date of birth. We will try to set date of birth to hard coding, because if we start asking from end user, again we have to set right the format and a number of things we have to do, boss. Come on. We have to take format and all a number of other. Okay, we'll no, right now my focus is not on date of birth, guys. Okay, so date of birth will hard code, please. Sys out. Enter. What is that? and is the person Indian? Is the person Indian? What is that? Boolean nationality. Boolean nationality. Yes, C dot next Boolean. Boolean Indian. Yeah, what is this? Boolean Indian. Mm. Boolean Indian. Mm. Okay, Boolean Indian. This one. Okay. Prepare entity class object. Okay, prepare entity class object. Tell me, guys. Here we are having a constructor marriage seeker. Seeker is equal to new marriage seeker. Except ID. Array, we don't have that non-null constructor. Yes. Array, we don't have a. Acha, we didn't write that. How does it will come? How does it will come? Required arg constructor. We should write. You must write the required arg constructor. Okay. Marriage seeker. Name Ramesh. Address Hyderabad. Address Hyderabad. Come on. Okay. Next one. Photo path. Photo path. Photo path. Photo path. Next. New local date time. Dot date time dot off. I think no need of local. No need of local. Okay. Oh, I think I am hard coding these names like this. Name here, address here. Okay, you are right, boss. Local date time dot off. Local date time dot off. What's happening, guys? Control plus shift plus O dot off. See, guys, we have bigger one. Year 1990, month 11th month. Okay, day in month 23, something, some random number. Okay, some 12th hour. Okay, minute 45th minute. Done, boss. New local date time. Next one is what? Next one is biodata path, guys. Biodata path. Then this one. Okay, what's happening? What is the order? Order is missing. Remove arguments, match this. Okay. I will tell the reason. It is not expecting path. It is not expecting photo path. 1 minute. I got it. It is not expecting photo path. It is not expecting biodata path. It is expecting byte array and character array. Some more hangama is there. 1 minute. Prepare byte array representing photo file content. Representing photo file content. Now listen. Input stream is is equal to, come on, new file input stream of photo path. Photo path. Done, guys. Now listen. Byte array. Byte array. Photo data or photo content, whatever it is. Okay, new byte array of new byte array of new byte array of is dot available. Is dot available. No idea about streams, or learn it. Okay, you are not learning core Java, advanced Java. Shame on you. Okay, byte array photo data is equal to new byte array of is dot available. Understanding my statement, guys? Yes, here input stream, file input stream, all these are streams, guys. Okay, this available is okay. This available is very powerful method, guys. This available is very powerful method. Is available. Just a minute. Yeah, is available. Byte array dot is available. Okay, byte array is ready, guys. Once it is ready, what should I do? I should get data into byte array now, boss. Size is okay, fine, that's fine. Okay, photo data is equal to photo data is equal to photo data is equal to is dot read all bytes. There is a method called, check it out, is dot read byte array is there, read all bytes. There is a method called read all bytes. Did you notice it? No need a buffer, nothing. Array, what is this is available? Is available, give length of the file, guys. Suppose file size is 10 KB. Let us assume file size is what? 10 KB. You will get 10 KB. 10 KB into 1024. That means 10,240 will come here. So byte array is created having 10,240. Come on, guys. Having 10,240. Then is dot read all bytes. It will be converted here. Okay. Fine, boss. Photo data. Photo data. Next. Similarly, not photo data. Oh, now we have to pass what? Photo data. Yes, guys. Similarly, I have to do prepare character array. Character array. If representing biodata file content. Biodata file content. Reader is equal to new file reader of biodata file. Biodata path. Okay, whatever it is. Here we have to use a reader concept, boss. Here, reader concept. Observe. First of all, reader dot available is there. First of all, reader dot available is there. Not there. Is there any method called available? Not there. Did you notice that? Okay, that's why one small improvisation in the coding. File is equal to new file of biodata path. I created file class object. Come on. I created file class object. Here I have passed that file. Okay. Now listen. Character char array is equal to new char array dot. Tell me. New char array dot file dot length. File dot length. Okay. Character. Okay. Character chars array. File dot length. Are you getting my point, guys? Add cast to int. Why long cannot be taken up? Fine, no problem. Okay. Chars array is equal to new char. Okay. File dot length. I have taken character array like that. Reader dot read. Okay. Reader dot read. Okay. Here is my chars array. Come on, guys. Are you with me? So instead of taking chars array, I will take biodata. Biodata content. Here also I will pass biodata content. Biodata content. Come on, guys. Are you with me? Here is available is there, and I have taken advantage of it. Here not there. That's why I created file class object, and I used that length method to get the length of the file. Using that, I created character array, and by calling read method, I am reading the content into what this character array. Super boss. Here, what is the other one I have to pass? Biodata content. Biodata content. Now see, this is byte array representing photo file content. This is character array representing what? Biodata file content. Super boss. Next, we are ready with the story. Okay, now we have to go for injection of service at the rate component private. Tell me, guys. I I matrimony service management service at the rate auto service dot system dot out dot println service dot yes guys seeker service dot this one seeker. Are you with me, boss? Service dot register this one. I think right now we are pointing to MySQL. Okay, anyhow it will create a table in MySQL happily. Don't worry. Okay, now let's go to main part. Some Spring Boot application. Creating a table, guys. Enter person name, Raja. Address, Hyderabad. Photo file complete path. Any photographs in my system? Right. I think E-drive, class content, images. Okay, images, Ranveer. Yeah, he's still bachelor, nah? That's why. Security, here is the location. Here is the location. But if it is backward slash, it should be 2 slashes. It should be 2 slashes. Okay, guys. Done, boss. Enter key. Enter biodata file, complete file path. Biodata file, complete path. Is there any biodata file, guys? Okay, I think video URL something is there, boss. Yeah, if you feel spaces may be there in the content. If you feel spaces may be there in the content, guys. Okay, go for text document. Okay, save as biodata.txt. Name Raja, address Hyderabad, age 30. Yeah, something I have taken, boss. Save. Open properties, security tab. Okay, copy this. Oh, one slash is missed, guys. Ayo, fine. I understood. I understood the problem. One slash is missed. Is the person Indian? True, true or false? You have to give. Yeah. What is the problem, guys? Failed to execute. This one. Ranbir only. One slash is missed. Exactly, it is showing the same problem. Okay, just a minute. Okay, we should show some maturity now. Let's not waste the time. Okay, this is one thing. Otherwise, who will do copy paste? If one more time failures, who will do copy paste again? Copy, guys. Say paste. I think here perfectly there. Yes, let's run the application, boss. Let's run the application. Already table created. Run beer. Name Mumbai. Okay. Oh, what is the? This is the path. Okay. Biodata.txt. Is the person Indian? True. Oh, still error. Yeah, sometimes, listen here. Sometimes this Windows is having this headache. Question mark symbol is coming. Did you notice it? This question mark symbol is coming. This is headache is there. This headache really there. Especially in the new Eclipse, they are getting this problem. So then what should I do? What should I do? Dot replace. Dot replace. Come on. Dot replace. Dot replace. Question mark with space. Okay, question mark with space. Here also dot replace. I pasted this problem in JDBC classes also. Okay, dot replace question mark with empty space. Come on, guys. We faced this problem long earlier also. That's the Eclipse issue in the new versions, right? Automatically adding one question mark symbol. Okay. Ranbir person address Mumbai photo file complete path Hey, you can give reverse single slash also. You can give reverse single slash also. Okay. Yes. Biodata.txt. Indian true. Yeah. What is the problem, Ravabu? Data exception could not execute this one. Illegal statement exception. Where is the problem, Ravabu? Where is the problem? Nested exception is could not execute the statement. Where is the basic reason, Ravabu? Where is the reason? Reason. Why it is not showing the reason, boss? Data too long for photo. So somehow it is not taking a proper data type for the photo, guys. So look at the table, refresh all. No, this is what is our database? What is our database? This one. Okay, what is this? Marriage underscore seeker. Marriage underscore seeker. I think it has not taken proper data type, it seems. What is the one for tiny lob? It has taken. Sorry, I don't want to work with a tiny lob. Let's take a bigger one. Let's take a bigger one. Tiny lob is there, na? Instead of tiny lob, we will go for what? Lob. Okay, blob. Instead of tiny lob, it has taken bob. Okay, when it comes to biodata, varchar 255 it is taking. Now instead of varchar 5255, I will try to take 1 minute long text. That's the one thing. Next, tiny blob, large blob. Where is large blob, guys? Where is in Oracle we are not getting this problem. In MySQL only this headache is there. Tiny text, long blob. Where is long blob? Yes, here is the long blob. Here is the long blob. Apply. Yeah, in Oracle these headaches are not there because these many varieties also not there in Oracle. Blob, clob. That's it. In MySQL only this small problem is there. Okay. Now tell me here. Again, same thing. Ranbir, Hyderabad. Yeah, testing our patience, but we are not going to lose. Every error is an experience, boss. Come on. Every error teaches something for us. Feel happy if we get more and more errors. Okay, Indian true. Done. ID value 3. Two insertions are failed now. That's why third has come. Okay, come to this place. Refresh. Already refresh is done. Select to rows. Already refresh is done. Select to rows. Biodata. Biodata, it is actually coming. You can see that. Biodata, you can see that. Text only. Okay. Next, this one you observe. Blob. Open value editor. Yes, photograph, you can see that. Are you able to see the photograph, guys? Come on. Right? Okay. Fine. You try in Oracle. Okay. You try in Oracle. I think 1 minute. This kind of headache also will not be there. If you try to mention at the rate blob, at the rate large object annotation. Okay, at the rate LOB. Yes, guys. Now listen, at the rate LOB is there. If you write it proper types, sizes also will come, guys. If you write like this, proper sizes also will come. Don't worry about it. At the rate LOB. Glob also should be there as per my knowledge. Okay, this is better. @LOB, @LOB. Okay, now 1 minute. Now earlier we are manually changed the types now, boss. Now what I do is I drop the table now. I dropped the table completely. Now no more table. Okay, come here. Okay, come here. Then that headache should not be there, guys. Is there any possibility of specifying LOB? LOB type is equal to lob type dot blob. It is not recognizing, boss. That's a headache. Okay, I'll talk about improvisation in tomorrow's class, guys. Even I need not to change those table sizes manually. Stable data types manually. There is a possibility of getting dynamically, boss. I will talk about that one in tomorrow's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.